Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 Ultra Twitter lag issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and then click on battery and device care. Now here, scroll down and then click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. After updating your mobile software to latest version, go back and in settings click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and after opening apps scroll down and then open Twitter. Now scroll down and open the storage of Twitter and then clear the app data and cache memory of Twitter. Now click on delete and then go back and now in settings open general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm.